Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most requested topics: how to earn money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, I've got you covered with 10 proven ways to make money from the comfort of your home. So grab a notebook, and let's get started. First up, freelancing. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or even social media management, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. Start by creating a strong profile, set competitive rates, and build your portfolio. Many freelancers earn 6 figures annually once they establish themselves. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, online tutoring is a great way to earn money. Platforms like VipGid, CheggTutors, and Tutor.com connect you with students worldwide. Whether it's math, science, or even language lessons, you can get paid to teach from home. Digital products like ebooks, Canva templates, or printables are a fantastic way to earn passive income. Once you create the product, you can sell it repeatedly on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Think about what skills or knowledge you can package into a digital product. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank, and start promoting products you love on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Yes, you can earn money right here on YouTube. Create content around your passions, grow your audience, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. It takes time, but with consistency, you can turn your channel into a full-time income stream. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Set up a store on Shopify, partner with suppliers, and market your products. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships it directly to them. It's a low-risk way to start an e-commerce business. If you're looking for quick cash, online surveys and microtasks are a great option. Platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay you for completing small tasks or sharing your opinion. It's not a full-time income, but it's perfect for some extra pocket money. Got a good eye for photography or videography? Sell your work on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Every time someone downloads your content, you earn a royalty. It's a great way to monetize your creative skills. Businesses are always looking for virtual assistants to help with tasks like email management, scheduling, and social media. If you're organized and good at multitasking, this could be a perfect fit. Check out job boards like Belay or Upwork to get started.